Aggie.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye Benzie. Bye Benzie.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to Baby Free World.
Today we're gonna do a salt water density project. So what we need is salt, 3 jars, 3 eggs, and water. So guys, let's pour fresh water into the first jar. So guys, let's drop the first egg in the first jar. Careful and slow. Observe it. Whoa. It sinks because fresh water is no density. That's why the egg sinks. Let's move to the next jar.
Yeah.
So let's pour some water in the second jar.
Slowly.
Let's wear 5 spoons of salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's mix the salt. Now let's mix the salt. Mix, 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 mix. Let's mix, 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 mix. Let's drop the egg and see if it sinks or floats. Guys, careful. Put it carefully in. It floated. Did you see how it floated? It floated. That's because salt is more density. That's why the egg has floated. Now let's check the third jar.
There.
Stop. Now let's put the salt. 1,
Careful.
1, 2,
2, 3, 4,
and 5. Let's mix it now.
mix, 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 mix.
Let's put the egg in.
Slowly.
Let's drop it slowly.
So So that's going to end. Still is touching.
Don't go fast. Did you know how it stayed inside the middle? That's because there is salt water on the bottom and fresh water on the top. And that's why the egg stayed inside the middle. And be careful and pour it very, very slow and careful.
Yes, that's what I say.
Project is done, guys. Here is the middle, top, bottom.
Whoa, these projects are so fun.
Yeah.
You want to learn? We want to learn.
Yeah, if you guys are excited, we were excited too.
Are you excited?
If you like our video, please
We are
like,
excited.
share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye. Don't forget to say bye to these eggies.
Bye.